How about an ERA 427 Cobra? Not only is it an ERA 427 Cobra, wait until you see the engine in it. It is a surprise. Signed by Carol. As you can see, it's a beauty, but it is a used car. It does have a few miles on it. Got true blue knockoffs. Now I'll show you the engine. And I think this and Jay Leno's Cobra may be the only two in existence with 427 SOHCs in them. Is that cool or what? This belongs to Bob, and I have a heck of a time pronouncing his last name. Bob Molino is his name, and it's all painted up like a real competition Cobra. Has the oil cooler down there and everything. This is a very, very cool kit car.